Oh, Ben, hi, is that you?
Amy, hello. What a surprise. How are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am great. I am very happy today
Oh, good. Why are you happy?
because it is Friday. No work tomorrow.
Yes, I love Fridays too. The weather is nice today.
Yes, the sun is warm, not too hot, not too cold. It is perfect.
Perfect weather for running.
Yes, exactly. I love this park. The trees are beautiful.
Me too. I come here every week. It is very close to my home.
Oh, really? Where do you live now?
I live on Green Street, near the big supermarket. Do you know it?
Yes, I know that street. It is very nice there.
Yes, I like it. It is quiet. And you? Where do you live?
I live in the city center now, in a small apartment. It is not quiet, but it is very convenient.
Do you run here often?
I try to run 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But sometimes I am too tired after work.
I understand. I run on Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes on Saturday morning.
Saturday morning? That is early.
Not very early. I run at 9 o'clock. The park is quiet in the morning. I like that.
That sounds nice. I usually run in the evening, after work, around 6 o'clock.
How long do you run?
About 30 minutes, sometimes more. I'm not very fast, but I enjoy it.
Fast or slow is not important. The important thing is to move your body.
You were right. When did you start running?
2 years ago, I was very stressed at university. My friend said, try running. So I tried, and I loved it.
Interesting. I started 1 year ago. My doctor said I need more exercise.
A doctor is a good reason to start.
Yes, now I feel much better. I have more energy.
Me too. Running gives me energy, and it helps me think better.
Yes, some of my best ideas come when I run.
That is funny. Me too. Do you listen to music when you run?
Yes, I listen to pop music. It helps me run faster. And you?
Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to podcasts. I like podcasts about history.
Podcasts about history while running? That is very clever.
How is work? Are you still at the same company?
Yes, same company. We sell computers and phones. I'm a sales manager now.
Oh, congratulations. That is a good job.
Thank you. It is busy. I talk to many customers every day. Sometimes it is stressful, but I like it.
Do you work in an office?
Yes, 3 days in the office, 2 days at home. It's a good mix.
That sounds nice. I want to work like that one day.
Are you still a student?
Yes, my last year. I study English and history.
Oh, wow, your last year. Are you nervous about finishing?
A little. I have big exams in 2 months. I study every day now.
That is hard work, but you are very smart. You will do well.
Thank you, Ben. That is very kind. I hope so.
What do you want to do after university?
I want to be a teacher, an English teacher, maybe in another country.
Really? Which country?
I don't know yet. Maybe Japan or Spain. I like warm weather.
Spain is beautiful. I went there last summer. The food is amazing.
Oh, really? Tell me more. Where did you go?
I went to Barcelona for 1 week. I visited museums, I ate a lot of food, and I walked on the beach every day.
That sounds wonderful. I want to go to Barcelona.
You must go. The city is very beautiful and the people are very friendly.
So, how do you feel today? You said you were happy?
Yes, very happy. This week was difficult. I had many meetings and a lot of work, but now it is the weekend. I feel free.
I know that feeling. When I finish a difficult week, I feel so good.
And running helps a lot. After 30 minutes, I feel much better. My mind is clear.
Yes, running is like medicine for the mind.
Exactly. Do you sleep well?
On days I run, yes, I sleep very well. On other days, sometimes not so well. I think too much at night.
Me too. My brain is too busy at night sometimes.
I drink warm tea before bed. It helps me relax.
That is a good idea. I drink coffee in the evening sometimes. That is a bad idea.
Yes, coffee at night is not good for sleep.
I know. I need to stop. Do you do other exercise, not only running?
Yes, I do yoga on Sunday mornings. It is very relaxing. And I sometimes swim at the sports center.
Yoga. I tried yoga one time. It was very difficult for me.
It is difficult at first, but after a few weeks, it gets easier. You should try again.
Maybe. I also want to try cycling. My brother cycles every weekend. He loves it.
Cycling is great. You can see so many places. Do you have a bicycle?
No, not yet, but I want to buy one. Maybe next month.
How is your family? How is your sister, Lisa?
She is very good. She has a new baby now, a little girl. Her name is Mia.
Oh, how wonderful! A baby girl. How old is she?
She's 3 months old. She's very small and very cute.
I love babies. You must be a happy uncle.
Yes, I am very happy. I visit Lisa every Sunday. Little Mia smiles at me now.
That is so sweet. And how are your mom and dad?
They're good. They're retired now. They travel a lot. Last month, they went to Portugal.
Oh, how nice. Retired life sounds great.
Yes, they're very busy and very happy. What about your family?
My family are good. My mom works in a hospital. She's a nurse. My dad is a teacher.
A nurse and a teacher. Your parents help a lot of people.
Yes, I am proud of them. Maybe that is why I want to be a teacher too.
That is a lovely reason. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one brother. His name is Tom. He's younger than me. He's 16.
16. Still in school?
Yes, he's a good student. He likes science and math. Very different from me.
Maybe he will be a scientist one day.
Maybe. He also plays football every weekend. He's very active.
What do you do on weekends? Do you have plans this weekend?
Tomorrow morning, I study. In the afternoon, I visit my parents. Sunday, I do yoga, and then I rest. Simple.
That sounds nice and relaxing. I like simple weekends.
What about you? Any plans?
Tonight, I eat dinner at a Japanese restaurant with my friend Tom. Tomorrow, I go to Lisa's house to see baby Mia. Sunday, I want to stay home and watch a film.
That sounds perfect. What kind of films do you like?
I like action films and comedies. I don't like sad films very much. And you?
I like documentaries about history, nature, travel. I can watch them for hours.
You really love history. History podcasts, history documentaries.
Yes, I know. I am a big history nerd. I am not sorry.
That is great. It is good to love something. Do you cook at home or do you eat out?
I cook most days. I like cooking. It is relaxing for me. But on Fridays, I sometimes order food, a treat for the end of the week.
What do you order?
Pizza, usually. Or sushi. I love sushi.
Me too. There's a very good sushi place near my apartment. It is not expensive and the food is excellent.
Oh, you have to tell me the name. I always want good sushi.
It is called Sakura on Bridge Street. You can order online too.
Sakura. I will remember that. Thank you.
I must continue my run now. I only have 15 more minutes before it is dark.
Yes, me too. I still have one more round of the park.
It was so nice to see you, Amy. I am really happy we met today.
Me too. Let's not wait so long next time. We should meet for coffee soon.
Yes, that is a great idea. Are you free next week?
I think so. Wednesday afternoon is good for me.
Wednesday is good for me too. Let's meet at the cafe on Park Road. Do you know it?
Yes, the one with the big windows. I like that place.
Yes, that one. Let's say 2 o'clock.
Perfect. 2 o'clock on Wednesday. I will be there.
Wonderful. Okay, I go now. Have a great evening, Amy.
You too. Enjoy your Japanese dinner tonight.
Thank you. Good luck with your studies.
Thank you. Say hello to baby Mia for me.
Haha, I will. Goodbye, Amy.
Goodbye, Ben. See you Wednesday.